model, a VJ, and also a producer, ladies and gentlemen. And not to forget, since 1998, when she roped in with the Chaya Chaya song, which won her laurels, accolades, and so much of fame, I think, and she has continued to live up to that till date. Ladies and gentlemen, here she is, Mallaika ma'am. Please give it out loud! Well, once again, a very, very warm good evening, ma'am. Well, I must tell you one thing that I think that's a very cliche. I think you hear that quite often, every day, I'm sure, that you look absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and I don't know what not adjectives. I don't really find anything at the moment. But I must ask you to share a few words with the people of Boroland because they have been waiting for so long to probably see you and have a glimpse of you. So, ma'am, if you could really have a word with them.
Firstly, thank you very much for that warm welcome. Ladies, you all look beautiful and splendid tonight. I hope I get it right. Kulumbai Tiram. And a very, very happy new year to everybody. It is truly an honor and I feel wonderful to be invited here to Boroland and to be part of the Dwijing festival. And to see so many beautiful people. Thank you so much for all coming over here and making me feel so warm and welcome on this very, very cold day. But thank you for your love. Thank you for all the patience for waiting over here, and I'm really happy that I can be part of this wonderful evening tonight. And बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So मेरे तरफ से आप सबके लिए ढेर सारा प्यार. Thank you once again for inviting me, and I can't hear you. I need to hear you loud and clear.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am. I request Helena to please step forward and extend our gratitude and gratification to Mallaika, ma'am, this evening with a small token of love and appreciation that is an arrora, which is a pride of Boroland, and a bouquet. So, priya darshok, apnalok সকলোৱে please এবাৰ জোৰকৈ চিঞৰি দিব লাগে. Well, ma'am, thank you so much again. I'm starstruck. I have a starstruck moment at the moment. I'm Debo Jyoti Das Gupta. Debo Jyoti, yes. Well, thank you, ma'am. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for me to announce the winner of Miss Dwijing 2018 and 19. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready? Okay. All right, let's not take any more time. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's now time for me to call on stage because we already are in the presence of Mallaika Arrora, ma'am. Let's declare who the second runners-up is.